ExquisiteGlow. Today I am going to be planning the week of June 11th through the 17th, and I have a new kit that I want to show you guys, a little order that arrived. But before I do that, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I am super happy to have you here. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like planner related videos. If you like to watch those, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I have been uploading frequently here on my channel with planner related content. I do want to warn you that I do like to upload beauty content as well, makeup related videos, so don't be surprised if one of those pops up in your feed. Make sure to also hit the notifications bell so that you are notified whenever I do upload to the channel. If you want to go ahead and check me out on Instagram, I do have my Instagram account. It is at exquisite_planning. It is here on the screen. Definitely go ahead and check me out there. So alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Again, I'm going to be planning the 11th through the 17th. We have Father's Day coming up, but I want to get into this little kit here. Now, I ordered these stickers on May 24th. Let me double check on that just so I am not lying to you guys. May 24th, and they shipped the same day, you guys. These two kits are coming from South Korea. I am very impressed as to how fast she got to shipping these out to me. So I placed my order because I seen that she had, I believe it was a sale. Yeah, she did have a sale going on. She had her Misfits on sale for 40% off. So I wanted to try that out. I figured, okay, well, it's a Misfit and it's on sale, so that's a really good opportunity to me to kind of get to know what a Misfit kit looks like, what I can expect, just so that I know maybe in future purchases I want to buy Misfits. So anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and start with the top here. First of all, she sent it to me in a nice little package. I've already thrown that away, but I kept the little tie because she, you know, tied the little two kits together with this cool white and yellow yarn. Has a nice little bow on here. And like any other kits, they come in these plastic little baggies. So I know I have the two kits here already showing you guys, but this is actually the kit that I want to use today. I want to use this one. Now this one is just a regular kit. This one is the Misfit. But also I've been loving this pastel styled Harry Potter. So I really wanted to like pick one up, and I felt like she had a really nice you know, arrangement of the images. I like how she put things together. So I went with her shop to purchase these specific art kit. I feel like I can't speak all of a sudden. Anyways, she thanked me for my order and that she hopes that I love my planner stickers. I'm sure I will. And then she hand wrote my name. So that's really nice. Thank you so much, Won Jeong. I believe is how I pronounce her name. If I butchered it, I am so sorry. But yeah, thank you so much for wrapping it so nicely. Everything's so cute. So the first thing that came in here was this. Okay, here we go. It has some bow flags. You have a bow, a heart, another butterfly looking bow. You have an appointment, two appointment labels, or a label and an appointment label. Super cute, nice little yellow color that actually goes with the Harry Potter theme. And then we have this. This is another, possibly another little freebie. It doesn't say freebie on it, but we have a few little girls on here. A Payday, Happy Meal, Etsy, a paper clip with bow. We have some labels, and then a movie marquee. You guys know that I love my movie marquees. That's like something that I love and everything. All right, so the first sheet looks like this. This is where you have your full-size boxes. And I'm just going to pan through this because this is actually the one I am going to be using today. Then there's also date covers. And then the next page is the heart checklists. And then we have some washi down here. And then here we have the MDNs. And these are all pastel shades, so that's why they look light. Then we have some half-size boxes, quarter-size boxes, habit trackers. We have the weekend banner down there and two bill pays, as well as some heart dots up here and some arrows. And then the last page has some more icon circles, some flags, and then you have the drawn out icons. You have scalloped heart checklists, and then you have some more habit or Monday through Sunday boxes, as well as a canceled and rescheduled right here. Super excited to use the kit. So this is actually the kit that I will be using today in this plan with me. I'm not going to be going to Universal Studios anytime soon, but honestly, I just want to use this kit. I love it. This one I want to kind of save for later on, and this one here is the Misfit. This is a grab bag, and I'm just going to go into it quickly because I want to get to my plan with me video. So this is what it looks like. All right, I feel like the artwork is really nicely done. I'm glad that she put the girl with the blue hair there. The paper feels nice and smooth. Yeah, they feel nice and smooth. This one actually feels more smooth than the other one for some reason. Maybe they're different, I'm not sure. And then we have the headers. Honestly, you guys, looking at this, I don't see anything wrong with it. For it to be a Misfit, I feel like it'll work really nicely. I mean, we'll see how it is. You know, maybe something isn't cut properly, I don't know, but when I looked at it, because I've actually already taken a look at these, I just rewrapped everything for you guys to see how it comes packaged. I didn't find anything wrong. Like, I felt like all the cut lines were fine, you know. So I'm, you know, I don't know. If this is what Misfits are like, then definitely I want to keep buying those because they're cheaper, you know. So yes, so this one came with four of those, and then this one comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this one's missing MDNs and also missing the full-size boxes. This one doesn't have full-size boxes, which is these. So it just comes with these 4 sheets, which is cool. You know, that's good enough for me. So I'm super excited to use this later on. I am going to keep it in its Misfit bag so I know that it's a Misfit, so I can like keep an eye out to see exactly maybe what was wrong with it. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start my plan with me. As you can see, I don't really have anything special going on next week. I don't have any plans except for making sure that I go get my blood work done for my doctor on the 14th, and that is pretty much it. Father's Day, actually we do have my sister-in-law wants to go to the lake, but it's still up in the air. We're still not sure, so I'm not gonna note anything in concrete. So yeah, all right, so this is just going to be a kind of quick speed through of a plan with me. I hope that you enjoy this one. Alright guys, so this concludes this week's plan with me. I really love how everything turned out. I think it looks really pretty. The pastels, the use of the clip bar, everything was perfect. I really like it. I really wanted to get a kit with this clip art, and I think that Planner Choco did a really good job putting this together. It just looks really good. I like the paper as well. I feel like it feels nice and smooth. I'm sure that my pens will work perfectly on this paper. Yeah, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this silent plan with me. I did that because I did the unbagging, or you know, showing you guys the 2 kits that I got from Planner Choco at the beginning. So that took up a lot of the time. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out Planner Choco's Instagram account. I'll go ahead and link it down below. If you missed last week's video, I'll link that down below as well. If you like this type of planner, if you think it's kind of cool, this is an Erin Condren Life vertical planner. So I have a link down below if you wanted to get a $10 discount on a purchase from Erin Condren. I do have to let you know I get a $10 credit, so if you don't want me to get the credit, then don't use the link, but the link is there for you to save some money, so that is up to you. Anyways, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, hit that notifications link, and also follow me on my Instagram account so you can see shots of my planner spreads and also stickers that I purchased. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys! Mwah.